Welcome to Embellishments on the 11th. It's April, which means gardening season. Hi, my crafty friends. This is a collaboration put on by Deb Hauk of Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage called Embellishments on the 11th, where every month several of us make cute little embellishments to go on projects, cards, what have you. And today, because I'm excited about gardening season myself, I decided to make some really cool watering cans and pitchers. Now, I do have a video coming out showing exactly how I made these, but I'll just give you a little bit of a heads up. These stamps came from my July 2017 Hero Art set. Yeah, I know it's kind of old, but it's very fun. I love the gardening theme. All kinds of dies. So I'm going to have a lot of fun with this as I make cards from these. I did use alcohol markers as well as my silver cardstock. These are the dies. Like I said in the other video, no two are the same, which is part of the fun. Oops, I've got a piece of washi tape stuck there. So which one do you like the best? Do you think I have a little bit too much of that blue-green? Or what do you think? I don't know what I'm going to put in them yet, but I'll be sure to let you know. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to watch everybody else down in my description box and see what they made. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your April. Bye-bye.